The handguard is part of the chain brake system on your chainsaw. It mounts on the top of the saw ahead of the front handle and attaches to the chain brake. In the event of a kickback, your wrist will contact the handguard as the saw pivots backward. This engages the chain brake, bringing the chain to a stop. The handguard can be accidentally damaged if something falls on your saw or if it is dropped. The tabs that engage with the chain brake can also become worn. Replacing the handguard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the side cover, the bar, and the chain from the saw. You always want to make sure that you have the brake unlocked before removing the side cover. Now I can remove the handguard from the saw. It's held in place with a screw on either side. With the screws removed, now I can just pull the handguard away from the saw. Now I can install the new handguard. Just clip it around the saw housing. On this side, there's a couple of tabs I'll need to make sure to get aligned with the brake mechanism. And now I secure it with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the bar and chain. And that's how simple it is to install a new handguard on your chainsaw.